Hi guys, it's Moz here, and I'm going to be reviewing the smallest kit I think I have in my stash. This is the Lippisch P13A from PM Models. So I've been going through my stash and I've come across this, and I don't even know where I bought it, but I've had a quick look on Amazon, nothing there. But on eBay, they're selling for £6.99. Before we open the box, could you please do us a favour? If you're not a subscriber and you are enjoying the content, just press subscribe, then ring that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video again. But I know for a fact that this is going to be one of the smallest kits, part-wise, part count I should say, that I've got, because it's only got, I think, 11 parts. So let me get it out. I'm going to build it just for the crack, really, along with a list of others, but I think this is going to be my next Mojo build. So if I ever get a bit PV or something and I'm not really interested in doing a model, I think I might build this. As you can see, you get one sprue of regular plastic, you get one clear part. I think that's just one there, which is it's okay. PM Models is a Turkish company, so you know, don't expect amazing things from them, but they do have some what if models, I should say, or some random stuff that if you fancy building, you can do. So there it is. There's the canopy there, you know, bit of clear glass, and on here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10 or is it 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, it says 10 here, and 11 including the canopy. So that's basically the sprue. So you're getting the whole, basically it's a delta wing, as they call it, or you know, so it's basically one of them, and they've even molded the seat to it there, and I think you've got, there's the back of the seat there. No detail on it obviously for the seat, but you've got a tiny bit of detail there on the butt of the seat, like, you know. Normally, by what I gather, these didn't have any weaponry. They're basically a ramjet, so they would just ram into other planes and knock off, and they were coal powered. Apparently it was like a powdered coal that they would fit into the rocket and out it will come. Yeah, it comes with a trolley as well, so really the actual vehicle itself has only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and the rest of it you're building the trolley up. So yeah, that's basically it. Surprisingly, there's no flash. So I'm assuming, there's a tiny nut there, but I'm assuming that they don't really make a lot of these. But yeah, as I said, it's got some recessed panel lines there. You know, it's something. Mostly it's going to be. I think you could build this up and test it. You could use this as a test piece. So if you've got a new airbrush or some new paint, build one of these up and use it. Simple as. So that's the actual sprue. The instructions. Bit of information there about it. Designed as a delta wing plane without tail, and it had the ability to fly at supersonic speed, and it was found to meet the needs of the Luftwaffe. As such, was evaluated seriously. The model, which would use refined coal as fuel, had no landing gear. Instead of that, landing skids were used. The pilot sat in a vertical stabilizer. Experiments on a supersonic speed carried out in a wind tunnel started in 1944, and a glider model was made called the DM1. I think that says Darmstadt München 1. So, but believe it or not, it was taken to the USA after the war without even having been flown. After wind tunnel experiments had been carried out, the first ever delta wing jet plane, the Convair XF-92A, was made using the results of the experiments and was flown on the 18th of September 1948. So again, some more German technology being used by the Yanks, so fair play to them. There you go. 3 colours needed. You've got your brown violet there, your dark green and your light grey, and basically you are putting the 2 halves together, the 2 wings together, plus the back end of the seat, and the stick goes in there, so you've got a little hole there for the stick. Quite simple really. Then you're basically putting on the top there with where the cockpit goes. Yeah, so simple really, and some sort of fin. Then you put the canopy glass in, and then you build the trolley for it, and then you basically paint it. Simple as simple goes. There you are. Decal sheet or decal sheet. you've got the whole range of numbers. You can have 69 if you wanted to, it doesn't matter. They do have the white there for, I think it's the underside, I think they are the Luftwaffe crosses there. Some little numbers there obviously, and you've got CT. You've got some, you know, parts, some decals there for some stenciling really, and then you have these Spanish things, so we won't be fitting them when I do it. But yeah, it's one of them. It's all right, you know, for the price of it, $6.99 for a small part count. I thought it was just an interesting thing to unbox and review. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below because I do reply. Thanks also to my channel members. They are mentioned on the screen. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join and membership start from $1.99. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.